How to add drop shadow to text in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize the text. First of all, open the application. Now, here in the home page, you'll be able to see this plus icon. Simply tap on plus. Now you can import the image that you want to edit. Now here, you can see this text icon. Simply tap on text. Here you can enter any of the text here and simply tap on this done. Now here on the bottom, if you swipe up, here you'll be able to see different options and edit options. So slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to see shadow and outline. So you can simply turn them on. Now this will give a vibe and a shadow to the background and to the text too. So at last, simply tap on done and you're set. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.